Troubleshooting slow networks is frustrating, but proving it's not the network, that's where things get tricky. I use a tool called iPerf3, and it can help you test bandwidth and rule out the network as the problem, if and when you know how to use it. iPerf3 is a command line tool for Linux and Mac OS built to push your network to its limits by testing bandwidth between two devices. But you need one device acting as the server on one end of the circuit and another as the client on the other end. This way, you're testing the full path of the circuit between two devices and not just one side of it. Once you have it installed, it's really easy to set up. Pick one machine to be the server and type in iPerf3-S. And then on the client, type iPerf3-C and then the server's IP address. This runs a 10-second test and tells you how much bandwidth your network can actually push through. Now, if you're supposed to have a 1 gig connection, but you're only seeing 500 megs, that's a clear sign there's a network bottleneck somewhere. But here's where people get it wrong. iPerf3 won't catch every problem. It's designed to test bandwidth, not diagnose intermittent issues like packet loss or jitter. For example, if users are complaining about slowdowns at random times, using a quick iPerf3 test won't give you the whole picture. You'll need tools like Wireshark, PRTG, or continuous monitoring to spot those issues as they happen. But what's really cool is we can take this a step further. If you want to stress test your network with something more realistic than a basic bandwidth test, try running a UDP test with the command iPerf3-C, the server IP-U-B1G. This floods the network with bursty, high throughput traffic, simulating real-world loads like video streaming or large file transfers. The main thing you need to know is iPerf3 can be your go-to tool when you want to test how much bandwidth you can actually push through your network. But when you're chasing random slowdowns or packet loss, don't stop there. Pair it with continuous monitoring tools to get the full story. Do you have a favorite tool for when iPerf3 doesn't cut it? I would love to know about it. Drop it in the comments and don't forget to follow me, you nerds.